What's up guys, it's Flash back with some more charts and another video. It's Thursday, February 20, 4:15 p.m. Eastern. I'm going to go through the daily list that I have here called hashtag video. You can see the tickers Bitcoin, gold, Bitcoin measured in gold, strategy, strategy measured in Bitcoin, strategy measured in gold. So, Bitcoin. I'm going to remove this. Sorry. So, I mean, we're kind of rounding out here. We want to break out of this domed consolidation. As you can see, recently Bitcoin has this little hold the beach ball underwater type of consolidation look and feel to it. All the way back here it had it too. Once we get to about maybe 75% of our way through that dome, Bitcoin breaks out, it looks like. Similar story right here, 75% through this dome, boom. Here, are we at 75% yet? I'm not so sure. But I mean, today's candle looks pretty good, yesterday and today. So we're gonna keep our eye on this. We could keep staying within the dome. I'll follow along for you guys. All right, we're gonna turn the rainbow wave off. We're gonna go to gold. So here's gold. I think we want gold to kind of take a break more or less so that maybe gives a chance for Bitcoin to move to the upside. I will bring up one indicator here, and this is the distance percentage from the moving average. So I know the moving average isn't on this screen, but you can see that there's a little bit of a breakdown here in momentum. So that would tell me that gold is nearing a local top, similar to maybe back here. You know, you had some sort of similar structure back here, like right here. This is when it kind of topped out and consolidated. So I think we're near it for gold on the daily. And then we can look at Bitcoin measured in gold. And again, kind of a falling wedge here. We want Bitcoin to outperform gold. So we got to break out of this, what appears to be a falling wedge, consolidation. You know, maybe we could also throw on, you know, similar to what the Bitcoin chart looks like. Who's to say? Pull up the momentum on here. This also is kind of looking a little springy, a little bit coiled. We want this to break out to the upside. We want to break out of this yellow line. Look at strategy on the daily. Again, looking coiled, looking coiled. Man, I'm ready for it. I'm ready for it to break out. If we zoom way out here, you know, we have that parabola that I've been following. Got some price targets up here. These yellow lines are equivalent to a Bitcoin price of 150K, 200K, and then 300K. Again, that's referencing microstrategist.com/Marty Kendall, his strategy ballistic model, which has been spot on, more or less, right? So this looks good. I'm ready for the consolidation to be over. I'm sure everyone is. I think a couple more days of patience, I think we'll be right there. Strategy measured in Bitcoin. Okay, so similar look and feel on the momentum, right? Getting coiled. I've also added a parabola to this one, you know, just for fun. Like that's what this looks like on the big time frame. Again, just a guideline, something fun to think about. You know, we have these gold parallel channels, and you know, we can zoom into the 1 hour. So I know there's a lot going on. I'm actually gonna hide this for now. So this dip, you know, I made a video the other day that we were breaking out, and I thought we were, and you know, maybe it was a fake out of some sort. But again, this is just a line on the chart that I've kind of charted. You know, it doesn't necessarily exist, I guess. You know, we have fallen outside of this channel. Again, just a line on a chart, but it kind of helps us navigate a little bit. So what this fierce dip kind of reminds me of, I just looking at this chart, I think about, you know, this dip back here, like super sharp and then release to the upside. I'm not sure what was going on in this time frame, but that's just kind of what that looks like, right? Huge dip before hopefully a massive run up. So again, I'll keep following this for you guys. We'd like to get a back above this yellow line, and then we want to challenge and get through this zone, in my opinion. Lastly, we'll look at strategy measured in gold. I have way too many lines on this chart. So a couple channels identified in here, again, just for fun. We're not sure if they really exist or not. But this is strategy measured in gold. We want to keep going up this channel. Simple as that. So we're still consolidating. So hopefully that's helpful, guys. I always end with this chart. I think the future is bright. Just got to have a few more days of patience, and I think we'll be on our way. Drop me a like if you found this helpful. See you in the next one.